Hi, this is Amanda. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial for the Learning Express library. The Learning Express library is a database of practice tests and learner's guides available from NC Live, which is an online educational portal containing hundreds of databases and online resources. NC Live is maintained by the State Library of North Carolina, and it's free for all North Carolina residents. It is funded by the North Carolina General Assembly using your tax dollars. Access to NC Live and the Learning Express Library is available from all North Carolina public and academic libraries. Today we're going to access the Learning Express Library from the Carteret County Public Library, which is a member of the Craven-Pamlico-Carteret Regional Library System. The home address is carteret.cpclib.org. Once I go to that page, I'm going to look for the Learning Express Library logo. And I'm going to log into NC Live by using my library institution, which is the Craven-Pamlico-Carteret Regional Library System. My password is my library card number. A library card number is required to access North Carolina Live. Let's go now. Okay, all set. Let's go to the web browser. To save time, I've already selected the Carteret County Public Library homepage. Navigate down the page to find the Learning Express Library. Select that logo. It brings up the Learning Express Library. If you notice, it already comes up as Craven-Pamlico-Carteret Regional Library System because it has recognized my computer because I have logged in earlier today. Also, if you notice at the top, you're giving options to either log into your account or register for an account. To use the resources on Learning Express Library, you need to register for an account with them. So if you click the register button, you're giving this box to go in and put your email address as your username, select a password, and put your name there and create an account. If you have done this, you can log into their account. I've already done this. I'm going to navigate to the All Center button. This tells you the different categories found within the Learning Express library. There's also a home button and also a user's guide, which is information for help for the different options and categories found within the Learning Express library. Also over here is My Center, which is the different tests and tutorials and learning resources that you have saved and participated in. You can review the different tests that you have done, or if you have saved and exited a test, you can go back and complete one. Okay, let's look at the top here. This is a practice test that I have found, which is the GMAT Practice Test 1. The way that I found it is I'm going to go back one step, go back to the All Center tab, choose the College Center, or you can select the button down here. Once you've selected that, it loads that center. You can use the navigation button to select the grad school entrance exam prep test. And once I've done that, you go into the different options. You're giving test, ebook, or tutorials. I'm going to choose the GMAT Practice Test 1. Once that loads, you're giving information about that test, how many questions, how many minutes it is to complete. You can choose the simulation, the learner, or the practice test. You can start the test. I've already done that. I've been given a time limit. I can choose my answers. I can choose to go to the next set of questions. I can save and finish, or I can score my test. I'm going to save and finish for later. A pop-up box comes up. It takes a minute to load. The options within the Learning Express library is very slow. So take a few minutes and take a breath because the boxes take a while to load. I'm going to click continue, and then this will be into My Center section of the Learning Express library. It takes a minute. Also, if you score the test, it will highlight areas where you need to get additional help in. It will give you the answers that you have missed, and it will also load tests that you can go in and practice again. If you have any questions, please ask your librarian. Thank you.